It's about the future of blockchain. So why wouldn't it be a natural progression to start out at the basics and take a look at all the different companies and the things that they're doing out there, and then do some discussion about how do we know where blockchain is going in the future. So today I brought in a guest with a tremendous amount of experience in this area, and it's Horst Treiblmaier. And Horst is currently a full professor at the International Management at Purdue University in Vienna. And actually his background is that he's worked in blockchain and Web3 technologies. He has a history in cryptocurrencies technology, and he started out by doing marketing and e-commerce, which gave him a really good understanding of industry and the challenges that we face. And his passion brought him to bringing that into blockchain. And then now what he does of helping people to understand where we're going in the future. Let me go ahead and just bring him right in, and I'll introduce him to you, and we'll start this conversation. Good morning, Horst.
Hi, Mark. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, I'm really glad to have you here today. It's going to be an exciting conversation because, my passion is aviation. And when we brought in digital into that, well, my passion is digital and aviation, but we like to bring in perspectives from a lot of different places. And I'm looking forward to bringing your perspective into this conversation.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to our conversation. My background is not in aviation. I did a little bit of research on that, but I'm really enthusiastic about blockchain technologies.
Yeah, I know you are, and it shows. Hey, where are you located today?
I'm in Austria. The university is in Vienna, but I'm sitting in Steyr in the middle of Austria because I'm commuting. And Austria is a small country, so.
Very nice. Well, thank you for taking time to join us today. And hey, listen, everybody always likes to start out the broadcast by knowing who you are and what do you do. So can you just give them a quick response to that, please?
Yeah, so I'm the head of the School of International Management at Purdue University in Vienna, which is a small private university on top of a nice mountain in Vienna. So we are overlooking the city. And what I'm doing day in and day out, I'm teaching and researching the impact of blockchain technologies.
Excellent. That's really good. Perfect setup for the conversation.